Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Too Good To Go app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you recently heard about the Too Good To Go app. How do you actually go ahead about using it? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, what you want to do is that you want to go ahead and set your current location. So go onto the app, click on Profile, click on the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner, and then click on Account Details and enter your account details. Next, what you want to do is that you want to go ahead and add a payment method. So click on the gear icon again, and then click on Payment Cards. And then this is where you could actually go ahead and add your payment card. Now, afterwards, how it works is that you basically are recommended different restaurants, and you can reserve to actually pick up from this restaurant. So here's a restaurant called Tia by Coffee and Waffle. Click on reserve, and then it's going to cost you $6 to reserve, and then you have to pick it up between tomorrow at 2 to 2:30 p.m. So this allows you to pick up unwasted food from different restaurants. My recommendation is that you aim for restaurants that have over 4.5 stars. Anything less than 4.5 stars, and from my experience, it's been kind of tricky, but you simply just click on restaurants and you reserve their bags, and then you pick it up at the pickup window time. Now, the thing with Too Good To Go is that a lot of the times their food is really good and you get a lot of food as well. And you can also favorite different restaurants so that you have a favorites tab. Like these are some of my favorite restaurants that I've ordered from before. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use the Too Good To Go app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching.